Hello viewers, this is a image slideshow. The title is Social Reformers of India. Though the social reformers are many, but I have taken just a few of them just for the purpose of showing that image slideshow is being carried forward. Now the first one on the screen, as you can see, is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. We can call him the pioneer in the field of female education and one who was instrumental in bringing Sati Pratha to an end, getting an act passed from British government for abolition of Sati. Next is Swami Dayanand Saraswati, who founded Arya Samaj and liberated Hindus from the traditional Murti Puja, idol worship. Savitribai Phule, well-known female social reformer, worked relentlessly for upliftment of Indian women. Next is Swami Vivekananda, who gave the women a new light and talked about power of youth for establishing an ideal society. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who played an important role not only in social reform but also in the political movement of India for liberation or freedom from colonial rule. Next is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, well known as Mahatma Gandhi, who was instrumental in not only bringing women to the forefront of the freedom struggle, but gave concepts which were workable concepts naturally, like Satyagraha, Antyodaya, and you can say that he involved even the last one from the Indian population in the realm of freedom struggle. So this is my short presentation on social reformers of India. Thank you. स्वामी विवेकानंद का जन्म 1863 में कलकत्ता के एक संभ्रांत परिवार में हुआ था। उनकी माता विदुषी थी और हिंदू धर्म की महत्ता में विश्वास रखती थी। उनका नाम नरेंद्र नाथ दत्त था। रामकृष्ण परमहंस के प्रभाव में आकर ये स्वामी विवेकानंद बन गए। स्वामी विवेकानंद ने भारतीय धर्म और संस्कृति को विश्व में एक स्थान दिलाने के लिए महत्वपूर्ण कार्य किया। उनके सामाजिक, धार्मिक, आध्यात्मिक, राष्ट्रवादी विचार जो हैं बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हैं। स्वामी विवेकानंद ने पुनर्जन्म के सिद्धांत को विज्ञान संगत बताने का प्रयास किया। उन्होंने कहा कि वेदों ने शुद्ध प्रेम की शिक्षा दी है। मनुष्य संसार में कमल समान रहे, मनुष्य का हृदय ईश्वर में लगा रहे और उसके हाथ कर्म करे, फल की आशा छोड़ ईश्वर से निस्वार्थ प्रेम करे। विवेक